Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Antonio Johnson. This is not a typical way we do videos on our YouTube channel here at the Lynchpin Bunch Inc., but I couldn't wait for high glossy production on this one. But I'm excited about something. I had a vision last night, and the vision that I had, I have to share it this morning with you. This is the stock that I'm looking at. WEN, Wendy's company. I want everybody who has never bought a stock in their life, brand new to the game, I want us to do something special. Wendy's does play a dividend, so this is going to give you money. You're going to make money off of this stock just by owning it. But to me, it's a great stock to get started if you've never invested a day in your life. All right? What we're going to do is we're going to buy 4 shares of Wendy's stock to represent the 4 for 4. Y'all got that? Now, if you've never bought a stock and you want to get into it, you've been thinking 100 million ways to do it, we here now, y'all. All right? Wendy's is the stock. Think about it like this. Every time my son is in the car and I drive by Wendy's, he points at Wendy's and says, fries, French fries, French fries. Wendy's is in a lot of places and still has a lot of potential for growth. It's only $23.36 a share right now in pre-market as I'm recording this. Now, I want you to think about this for a minute. It's something we can get behind, rally behind, and keep up with and talk about from here on out. So today I'm going to buy my first 4 shares, and I hope you join me. We're going to be a team in this, y'all. WEN, we're going to come together for this stock. All right? What are we going to call ourselves? We're going to call ourselves the Camels. CAMELS, the Camels. So if you become a part of this, just remember, you're a camel. Share this with anybody who's been thinking about getting a stock or curious, never done it. Say this is a great way to start. Wendy's company, WEN. Let's get behind this movement. This is something for brand new investors, brand new traders, period, okay?